Daddy, chill.
All right, he's dumping pretty good here. Let's see if we can get a bounce. Notebook boys. Let's do this. So, if we get a sweep candle here, which we did, the problem is this enough to feel comfortable? 25 points of a win? It can be. Let's see if there's any other reason why to get in this. There was off an OB. I think we can get in, too. And then TP will be about 980s. 980s. Nice little scalp. Trying to put a short here. No boy man can hang. So, technically, we should wait for 967s, but I'm in because of this OB bounce, too, with the possibility of the sweep candle making it go long, which would be beautiful. Got a 1-to-1 risk ratio. That's right, Texas. White girl music. Do it, girl. Dance, 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 dance. I'm down, Bully Bear.
Daddy, chill.
All right, calm down, calm down, calm down. Relax. Calm down. All right, so what I'm seeing here is you got the 1 minute sweep. That means the candle that broke that 15-minute low support couldn't hold it, sweeps down, and now that 1 minute candle now creates the resistance. So once price starts to break above, that's when you can go long to see if it's gonna continue up. I got in a little bit early because look at this order block down here. It's kind of holding, right? So I think it's gonna break above the sweep candle, and it already bounced off the order block. So guess what? Let's get in a little earlier. Fuck it.
Is that you?
Look it.
Clearview Exteriors and Power Wash. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
No about boys. What? What? Full strong, baby.
According to Jordan State TV, Jordan's armed forces intercepted 3 missiles launched from
Start
Iran.
hustling. Wow, that denied that sweep candle high pretty good, so be careful. Ooh, feel it. Feel it. Hey, hey. Oh shit, it's dropping on me. Better hold. You know, it didn't close above. It was a little bit of risk to get in, but we're still chilling. Damn, you hear that beat in the background? Feel it. Feel it. This better have a crazy drop. Change your battery. I
NYMEX
shouldn't have gotten in this
WTI
yet.
August futures settle at $83.23 a barrel, up 74 cents or 0.9%. NYMEX gasoline August futures settle at around
Mavericks just drop it
$3.38 a
like it's
gallon.
hot.
NYMEX diesel August futures settle at around $4.11 a gallon, and NYMEX natural
It's
gas
still going
August
down
futures
on me.
settle
Damn it.
at around $2.86.
Said you hear that beep like your fire alarm? Oh, hell no. I will always change my fire alarm beep. I will not. This didn't actually go into effect yet. I am in, but I'm only in because of the order block. All right, we're at the 78 now. I think we Gucci here. Make sure there's not an order block here, which is about 912s too. I meant the beep, but I meant the drop of the song. 0.8910s. Yeah, I think we good here. I just got in a little early on that OB. You know, that song never dropped. Like, you were waiting for it. That was be a fire. They missed the chance on that one. This needs to be a little bit longer. All right, sweep candle again. If we just followed the sweep candle, we would have been perfectly fine. Hell yeah, Mr. Dad. Nice and slow. You just need one small little play. So just use like 1 or 2 micros. Fuck it, dude. Let it take you like 2 hours to do. Who cares? Actually, you could probably do it in 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna add one more on this. I like the bounce here. Actually, I'm gonna do 4. Yeah, that's a plan. I've been a lot better at staying small and letting it play out and no rush. Either like sometimes you're just gonna like get sick of it and then go from there. I am longing it. I got in a little bit too early on the order block bounce, but I think it holds. Why I think it falls. It never actually played my sweep strategy. I think I was dancing too much, and he said no, bro. What are you shorting? I mean, I would have shorted this up here, gotten out probably at the 1 hour low, maybe. Yeah, I was already on for like hour and 50 minutes this morning, Texas. Yeah, 9:30 Eastern now. Well, I was actually 9:40. I got on, but it was already like what 12 o'clock when I got off. You know, I was able to edit a small, quick video, post it. I need to start doing that daily. This could be a silly move, huh? What do you guys think? All right, we're on the last OB here. I think we're Gucci. You know what it is? I'm like, I'm up a lot of money, and I'm like, ah, fuck it. Damn, it is falling. There we go. All right. That's that OB I was waiting for. As soon as it breaks above, it should be good. And it did. All right. Going in 6. I don't want to be in that much, but I kind of screwed that up a little bit. And I'm up a little bit of money, so I'm okay with it. But this is a perfect OB bounce. You can see it. Let's delete this one so we don't get confused. I'll bring it down. See this order block here? Right at the bottom of the swing. It's probably about 78, whatever, and then boom. Not yet. At least pull up to like 50s here. 950s. And then I think maybe it could be a possible sweep. Bye. I think after this, Mr. B. I don't know if it's going to come all the way up, but I am sure it's going to come up a little bit. It could just get smacked right in the 1 minute sweep candle. I'm not sure. I'm holding it tight. What she said. Because we don't want this to be a big loser for no reason. Come on, go. Get a little pump up. Where's the 5 minute cloud? Because you know how it loves touch that and then bounce. We did make a new low, so it's not like we're not still trending down. It could have been the sweep, dude. So just be careful. That could have been the move up, and now we're gonna pile down. Hoping we get a little bounce up higher, though. We should. Five payouts until live? Yeah, but dude, it's only 5 weeks, and you already make, like, what? 10 Gs. Yeah. This might be it. Might have fucked up. Let's go. Come on, bounce up. Should have got out there. Maverick 28,910. See, dude, it's coming right back. It's a really big loss for me because it might drop. That was the pullback. Fuck. Rip back up. Rip back up. Changes clothes. Yeah, that was the bounce, and now it looks weaker. Yeah, that's what I'm fucking thinking. We still are in it. But that was a weak bounce. It should have came up to like 963s. Could have just been another 78% pullback to go back up. This is the first short out of a long time, so it's going to be weak. I think it goes up then. Come on! Way bigger loss than I should have had. I should have got out right on that. I was up so much money. Playing around, dancing too much. Got another OB here, though. But every time you do that, you're like, you just keep pushing it back and back and back. You know? Pretty big loss. And it's probably going to go to 800s eventually. Just seeing if it wants to bounce. Now, if this breaks up again, then we're Gucci. We're fine. Come on, break this candle. 893s. That's the 4-hour low right here, too. We might have to adapt if it starts breaking.
The S&P 500 turns negative, erasing gain of as much as 0.7%.
Bounce target 840 for me. You could be right. I was hoping for the freaking whatever, but then this could be like the sweep, dude. Can't tell yet. I was really thinking one more bounce up and then break down. I ain't worried. This level held a lot before, so if it can't again, then we're in trouble. I think it might go. Hate to close this and watch it rip back up, though. There it goes. Fucking bounce up. Did I miss some kind of news or something in between? I mean, I know everybody's battling over there. Oh, shit. Come on. Pretty big loss right here. I'm just holding for dear life now until I just close it. Still green. Let me just see. Guy's too high in that one. And then we got 840s, just kind of the next level. Pretty big swing there. All right, we got that sweep candle. This could be the monster that brings it back up. I fucked up big time on this one. That's all right. Size too high on a market where the candles are just huge. There it is. All right. I need another hype song, bro. Okay, break above this. This is what I was supposed to be waiting for. Close above this sends it up. I might have to go in heavy if it does to get that back. We have
So
a
according to
nice
security
amount.
sources, explosive-laden drone downed near Iraq's Al Hara airbase in eastern Erbil.
Trying to get a good fill here. Okay, so this is my actual long here. If I stuck to my strategy. I need to close above, though. We still got 19 seconds. This is the sweep strategy. Beautiful closed.
Brent crude
We
futures
should be
settle at
Gucci
$89.22
to at
a
least
barrel, up
$905. If we go
$1.12,
past 900, so we're probably going to go up just a little bit further. This looks really awesome. We could actually go all the way up to the top here, but you know, we gotta wait. We gotta wait though. We still have many minutes to wait. I'm more sure of. If it doesn't hold, then we're gonna fall down pretty bad. Doesn't hold, we're falling down pretty bad, so. I think we're good though. Come on, baby. Wants to go up. Shake it to the max. Gotta hold here. What's the 1 hour at? Extremely high. And an OB bounce. What games do you play online? What do you mean? I don't play too much. Maybe every once in a while I will. With my son, I don't have much time anymore. Playing with my son the other day was Marvel Rivals. Pretty good game. Why do you ask? No, why? Why does it say that I'm having struggle with connection? Man, go up, man. Why do you ask, Mrs. Powers? Taking a long time. But it's go. You got the higher low. And it's starting to break this higher structure here. We should be good to go up. This is where I should have been the whole time. This would have been an easy, should have been an easy $2,000 move right now. This one I was messing around up here. This is my strategy. This is the sweep candle strategy that I've been trying to push out and teach. If you just stick to that, you'll be Gucci. We just hit the 50% now. That's our normal TP, first TP. And then you can hold the rest to see if it wants to continue up. And it's also the 1 hour low, so I don't know if it wants to continue. But hopefully it does. I think it does. This is such a large pull down that we should get at least a 50%. Let's see. That's at 933s. Especially with that order block. Yeah, we should be good to go up.
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
The higher time frames look dumpish, yes. Weak! Thank you for the share, my brother. One played that game and the other one thinks it's a stupid game. What do you mean? My daughter had me ask you. Oh. Remember when it's 22 and the other one is 21? Oh, what the hell? What games did they play? Nico, them higher time frames look dumpish. They do. But we're on a smaller time frame here, hopefully. But it gets to that. It got to the 50. I'm hoping it goes higher because I fucked up on this one. But it should on this huge pullback. I don't see why they shouldn't go up higher.
Damn, yes. Welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah, I don't play like I want to though. I used to love Elder Scrolls back in the day, though, that's for sure. That 50%, dude. I swear. That might have been it. Hopefully it rejects here. Let's see. If not, then it's going to dump City. I just wanted a little bit of pullback up to like the 920s. $15-minute is still kind of closing in there. We got 3 minutes left. But if it can't hold, it's going to keep going down pretty bad. Not holding. See if we can get this money back. 813s. Get back a lot of money in that fucking trade, dude. If this fucking rips back up, I'm gonna have a titty tack. Did go in way too high. Screwing up. Could be a double bottom. Might be. Perfect. Alright, it formed just below that candle. Hopefully it breaks below and just continues. I fucked up really bad, guys. I fucked up. Just got manipulated. I went in way too high. Fuck, my fundeds are so fucked. I don't know why I did that, man. Hopefully it breaks down here. If I can get back to break even, I'll be okay. We're right on this bully block here, so I'm hoping that we come back down. It definitely looked like it wanted to fall again. And watch it if it plays out what I originally wanted. This closed inside. Not good. But let's see if it comes back down. If not, I got cracked. Those are my codes. That's my code for my new indicator I just released. Now, if we could break this low, I feel we're okay. 882s. Okay, good. Needs to rip through this. I can't hold it. I sized too high here. Keep going. Just rip right through, dude. Don't stop. If this can hold, no good. Rips through, we Gucci. So I'll look at you guys' questions in a minute. Hold on. 15, keep going. Rip through, rip through, rip through, rip through. I felt like it was off the way it ripped up, so that's good. Keep going. There you go. There you go. Sorry, guys. I'm concentrating. Just give me a second. Probably take some off. You know, be blessed that this, you know, came down for me. Ah! Okay. Tweak, how did you put the 15-minute bigger can next to? That's my new code that I just released a week ago called the bully sweep. If we would have listened to my bully sweep like I did all day today, I was up 3,000. I got a little bit cocky, got in off an order block, and it ripped the opposite way. But I would have been great. I would have been up thousands of dollars, even more on that. But whatever, lesson learned. And I felt like that was a little bit of manipulation up. You guys saw that it looked like it wanted to drop, right? We finally got that break, and then it kind of like soul collected up, and then we go back down. But I think we keep continuing. Let me just make sure there's no reason to stop here. I don't think there is. We do have one order block right here, but we got another one down here that I would love. Way, way better. Yeah, let's see if it breaks this. And then we need a break of at least get here. If I missed some of your guys' questions, just give me a second. I think we're gonna crack through it though. Ooh, it's holding a lot though. kind of want to see it just crack down to the 800s. If it could just fall, we're good. All right, we're retesting again. Good, it's denying. Honestly, if it just breaks the low of this, it's gonna be a good, like, it's already lost its momentum. Bang. Good, 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 good. We'll take our first one here, and then we'll see if it gets to the 78 here. And it's just holding. Come on! It's gotten weaker, though. It's gotten weaker. It looks like it wants to fall. Nope. Fucking holding, huh? Let's see. Crazy. Thought it was definitely gonna go. If it closed above this sweep candle, we're gonna have to go long again. That's my normal strategy. My bad. I've been doing that a lot lately today. Antonio! We are champions. Yeah, good job in Spain. How did you bottom tick that? What do you mean by that? Gotcha. Nice addition.
So according to
Shorts.
Arab News, Iran's
Yeah, my new
Secretary
sweep
says the
strategy
US
is
has
very,
not
very
taken
good.
action regarding the release of Iran's frozen assets, and they have violated their commitments.
I feel like this doesn't want to go up. Could be wrong, though. We can easily get out and just go long to close above 860s. What do you guys think it's going to do? I did amazing today until the last like 30 seconds. I played games, I was dancing. I wasn't paying
Head of
attention.
Yemen's Saudi-backed presidential council says that it will work on resuming oil exports starting today.
But this was a win right here, and then I should have taken it out. I think this wants to fall. We got a sweep candle though, just in case. Marked out for resistance. You're in 40-minute longs. Jeez. You think long, I think short right now. Could though, it's bouncing like crazy. I should probably take one out. But it's not convincing me up. Taking too long. Just like my long before. Demo, you gotta put that first, bro. I'm on my fundeds. Uh-oh. Alright, we might have to go long here if this breaks above. Fucking order block held, huh? And the candle ripped all the way up. You can't get in on the swipes like that. But we gotta look at the 5 too. I gotta find the 5 minute. The new 3-hour. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay, so this is the 5-hour one. This is a very long. Damn. So it's like really playing games with me now. Closed above, right in that 50. So could smash right down. Break of this structure, we bouncing down. This is a long, but it already hit the 50. It already hit the 50 retracement. Yeah, 1 hour is 15-minute. Definitely didn't crack up. 1 hour is bearish. Everything else is pretty bearish right now. I agree. No way that order block holds again. It tested too many times. It needs to go to the next one. Hey! No way. If this holds again, it'd be very, very crazy. There we go. I'm sticking with Mr. Bastard. He said 800, and I kind of think he's right. Ooh! Ah! Come on, bro. Fall. Oh, daddy! Oh shit! Why is it still in? Latin. Oh, what happened to that account? Wow, my second one didn't hold like it was supposed to. I'm going 7 long though. And then we need to knock it off and bring it back down. We can't be doing this on my funded like this. But in the jam rock. Hold on, bro. I'm vibing out to my music. Can't hold this. It's going down to 766 eventually. Pretty positive we're going to get a nice little jump here, though. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dude, my one account did not copy correctly. I don't know what happened. Sweep candle. Got 3 seconds. If it closes above, we're actually going to 851s. We'll put a little lower just in case. It's gotta close above this candle though. It went where you said it was? 20. Oh, yeah, you did. Good. Oh, I didn't see that shit. Okay, right here is where I want it to go. This is an actual strategy here that I keep trying to teach over and over again. This is the new strategy we're going to go forward with because it's just easier to teach you guys. 1 minute sweep, right? We got the 15-minute bracket. You see the orange? See the orange bracket? That's a high and low. The low is formed. Drop down to the 1 minute time frame. What do you get? You get a hammer sweep candle. It's a bullish candle. Sweeps it, instantly rejects. Everybody in the mother thought it was gonna fall. Nah, we know better. Soul sweeper, baby. Comes back up. The high of it makes a break of structure. Candle closes above it. Now what? We enter in long. Closed above it. The structure is broken. And we're in an order block. And now we are going to hold it until it hits the 50% of that 15-minute candle. If it can hold it and it breaks this low, not good. We'll see now. If it does break the low, then it will be no good. Could be though. We could be in a serious downtrend. I don't know, but this is what I've been fucking trading. Now, if this doesn't work, most likely we're gonna fall down to 766. But it's like a 75% win rate, 80%, 90% if you have other confluences with it. So like I have an order block. I got a 78% extension. I got 3 reasons to go long right now for a bounce.
Fars News, citing Iran's Deputy Secretary of the Supreme NSC, Bagheri, says the Strait of Hormuz is a critical leverage point for us, and Iran will not show any leniency in this regard.
Are you in long now, Powers? You should be. See, I was rejecting it again, though. I needed a nice, clean break, and it did break it twice. Maybe it's just too hard. It's too strong, but we'll see. You know, it is a pretty deep downtrend. So we do got to keep that in mind. We could also take out, instead of doing 10, do 5. Because that's just gangsta. Do 5 here. Man, it does it. It looks kind of heavy. It looks kind of heavy. Careful. Make sure you close your shit. If it's wrong, it's wrong. I just want to take out 5 because 10 is a little obnoxious. I don't see why this doesn't blast up a little bit. Just to 851s and then continue down. Lot of wicks, guys. Lot of wicks. You think it's wrong? Pretty heavy. Every time it will go up, it gets shot. I just want to take some out, that's all. 10 is a lot for this. You're right there, go. Break above this for Gucci again, but see how it just keeps getting shot down here? Ooh, what was that gap? Bullish gap there, but it didn't hold. If we can close above it, we're okay. I think we might get stopped out in this one. It's just too heavy. Look at all those wicks. It really, 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 really wanted to try. There he goes, trying again. Oh, we just went red to green. This is gonna blast up now. Watch. Watch this blast up. All right, we're out our 5 to make it a little bit easier on my consciousness. But that was a red to green. Very, very, very nice. Very nice, man. Get the hell out of my damn screen. So that was very nice, red to green. Got to hold above. It looks like it wants to. Something's here. Anybody know what's here? I don't. Even the 5-minute cloud is still higher. Keeps getting shot down. Bro, they playing? What do you mean? Oh, they're playing with their feelings or emotions? It might finally, crush down and then rip back up. We need 4 more minutes for the new, this is gonna get us out now. It's just not holding. Watch it rip back up. I'm gonna be like, oh my god! That's your order, Mr. Bastard? What are you shorting it on me? I knew you're a goddamn billionaire. I knew it. You're actually barren, aren't you? Still hold. This thing's still holding, dude. Trust me, this is still got the power. Holy shit. I mean, eventually the orders are gonna run out, and it's gonna pick which way. But there's definitely a battle here. $766. I don't know, man. This thing keeps holding though, bro. How many of you guys are long on this, or any of you guys short? It can go either way, to be honest with you. Risk has got the bottom. Yeah, if you do like one, I think it's a pretty good risk reward. It's only 20 points. I feel like it's gonna short till 750. That's what Texas says. I also feel like going to the beach right now. Wow. Do it, girl. Do it. Mr. Bastard said short. I'm okay if I lose this. It's fine. I'm up 3K cash money, baby. Ain't nothing here. They too emotional. I mean, it didn't hit my thing. We'll see in 30 seconds. It might want to take out the low again and then rip up, guys. Whoa, daddy. What? Ah! You guys were saying? Hello? You guys were saying? You guys were saying? Whoa!
Seeing an Axios reporter on X citing a US official who tells them on potential ceasefire talks with Iran, saying right now Trump is focused on making Iran pay for their violations of the MOU and their continued acts of terrorism in the Strait. In addition, Trump will make Iran pay for the recent deaths of US soldiers. So again, this is an Axios reporter on X citing a US official. The US official here says that the devastating blows against Iran will continue until Trump deems otherwise, but talks between the countries are continuing. So we did see a bit of weakness in oil prices there. A little
Alpha
bit of
Daddy,
strength
baby.
in the S&P 500 come through
Don't
as
fucking
well.
question
As
Alpha
again,
Daddy.
Axios reporter on X citing a US official.
You got 2 payouts locked in? Sweet. Now, please make sure you stay at that damn... Are you still trading low, though? If
Daddy?
you're still trading low, I
Daddy,
guess that's
that you?
amazing, too, at the
Is
same
that
time,
you?
right?
Team Money from the 410. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
100,000 on a tweet. We should just be blow. We should just end it and blow the whole thing. I'm sorry. It is what it is already, right? Yeah, 1 seat. That's awesome, Mr. Dad. If you could just keep doing that, who cares? Screw it, I guess, right? I would be up a lot more money than this, but I have to not trade my trade day. I left that at $1,100. I am $50 over the thing. Hopefully it doesn't mess me up. Trump will make Iran pay for the recent deaths of U.S. soldiers. These devastating blows will continue until the Trump deems otherwise. The talks between our countries are continuing. Wow. Wow. Guys, hit those likes. If you guys made money on that trade, give me 10 likes at least. 10 likes, and then reshare it to yourself. So you don't look like a spammer to others. Help me out. Help me out. Here it goes. It's going to continue up. Over this 5, guys, this goes to 935s, 950s. Who said ceasefire? I don't see no something about ceasefire. Got to get over this 5-minute though to go up. New guys? Who cares about new guys, right? They're not the It's time to destroy all, baby. Oh, I don't see it. Oh, there it is. U.S. official tells me potential ceasefire talks with Iran, cited by Axios. Dude, we've seen this many, many times. Axios is wrong every single time. In about 30 minutes, you're going to hear a huge kaboom where it blows up an entire part of the country. And you're like, oh, I guess there's no ceasefire. We literally have gone through this every day for the past 3 months. Now, this is a huge drop, so we could easily come back up to like 975s, this whole entire swing here, and then rip up. Since February? No way. It's been going on since February? Holy shit. Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh, no. This 1 minute sweep candle is too big. That sounds pretty crazy, though. Trump.
Trump will make Iran pay for the recent deaths. These devastating blows will continue until Trump deems otherwise.
Daddy, chill.
I'm not gonna short because this candle doesn't give me enough breathing room. To be honest with you, my sweep strategy. So if we do break and close below this, like it could easily only go down like 10 more points and then rip up. Ah, gotcha. You should go to your brother and be like, "You're bad luck." He's the next. What do they say? Like omen is an omen. If anything, I'm starting to think it's still gonna be long. Let's see. Said maybe. Okay. Guys, can we do me a favor? We got 30 people in here. Can we just get me to 2,000 likes? It ain't that much. It ain't that much. 900 more. And you know what else? Your significant other. I guarantee you guys, you loyal bastards that have been in here for a long time that give me all the likes. Your significant other has got to be happy with you. There's no way. Even if you lose it, you still got your fingers. You still got your fingers. That's how strong you are. Look at that. We're already almost at 2,000. All right, so you see this sweep area? You can either use this as support. Sometimes there's lots of different ways to use this strategy. Like, it's kind of incredible on the different things. Mariba! What's up, man? Yeah, I would held and didn't close below. We're probably gonna continue back up. And then break this high, and then we're gonna continue up to at least probably like 929s. Good news, I got my hands on an MT5 futures demo account. I can finally look at MNQ. Really?
The
What
White House said
one?
that Trump signed an executive order to make it harder for defense contractors to obtain waivers for banned foreign critical minerals and materials. The EO order threatens defense contractors with loss of contracts if they fail to replace risky foreign suppliers. Trump order requires contractors to exhaust options for domestic products and map critical mineral component supply chains for weapon systems.
What did Maverick say? Maverick says, if going to the beach was an option, I would take it. That was for you, Mrs. Powers. Maverick said that on YT. Dude, I can't trade. I'm not a trader. What are you talking about? What are you doing? Oh, Bariwa, what prop firm? This is gonna keep going up, guys. The long. I'm not like confident enough to get in it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's a long. Oh, a broker. Why don't you try prop firms? You know what? The other day, you logged off though, and you said why downgrade myself? Did you mean like why would I go to a prop firm? Because I'll school you on it right now. If you meant why would I downgrade myself to a prop firm? Oh, futures is the upgrade from Forex. Yeah, I mean Forex is not bad. Like it's just not moving quick enough for me lately. 15 years ago, Forex moved a lot. A lot. It's just not moving enough now. You could still do it. All right, this could actually short here, or this is the line that we need to break for the 5-minute long, which would be probably. Oh wow, dude, we can retrace all the way up to 29,000. Believe it or not. Tomorrow, guys, I'll probably do the giveaway. I'll probably do a giveaway tomorrow. Tick volume, the real volume. It is a big difference. Maverick says, actually, with the PDT rule basically gone, you can open small options account. I always did. Options actually always came back the next day for me on Thinkorswim. This is choppy, guys. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. What broker is it, Bariwa? We got 7 minutes into MOC. 7 minutes into MOC. MOC is when they take money. The feds adjust their books. They either pump money in or take money out. Past few days, it's been in the billions and billions. It's been wild. What's the name? Oh, and futures. Yes, and futures is a good one. They are good. Ah! I took like 2 to 3 weeks off of like lifting. I feel like a fat shit. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with me. I'm all hyped up.
Daddy? Is that you? Daddy? Is that you? Alaya! Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Guys, I need 300 more likes to get to 2,000. Help me out.
The White House posts an action
Yeah,
on
Amp's pretty good.
aluminum imports. The White House say that Trump takes further action to adjust imports of aluminum into the U.S.
I only need 200 likes. All right, this is just kind of diddying around here. We got 5 minutes. More like 4 minutes to the MOC. Yes, we're at 2,000 likes. Thank you so much. You're so kind. Dude, this is not holding up. You see how this 1 hour here? So next little trick is, yeah, we get in pretty damn early. But say this hourly closes inside and manipulates. We can expect this to start ripping up to the upside. Antonio.
And so the White House, with more color, say that Trump signed a proclamation authorizing the Secretary of Commerce to establish an incentive program for companies that will invest in aluminum smelters.
Did you like Spain, how they played the match? I did watch it. Dude, Spain ran the ball the whole time. But did you see Argentina's goalie? That was phenomenal. That goalie was phenomenal. Aluminum? Really? What's aluminum on there? Can we trade aluminum?
And more from this White House proclamation, the US ties reduced aluminum tariff rates to firms' onshoring plans.
The fuck is this? Yeah, I don't think it's got any volume. All right, we got 1 minute left. 1 minute left. What do you guys think? Injection or no injection? I think it's gonna be injection for sure.
1 minute now until we get the market on close imbalance.
All right, 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
10 seconds.
I kind of want to buy one, but if it pulls back.
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 sell side 2.5 billion. Nasdaq 100 sell side 2.3 billion. Dow 30 sell side 1 billion. Mag 7 sell side 1.2 billion.
That was a lot of billions. I got a little bit of it. I'm cool with $60. I'm cool with $60. Let's see what it actually is. I know it was a lot. Wow. 2.2 billion for both S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. And the Mag 7 was 1.1 billion. So that was a pretty more towards the sell side in all of them. Ooh, alert gap, huh? I see it. I see it. Dude, I want to buy again here. Just a scalp. Got a lot of levels right here. And an order block. Oh my god. Never mind. What's up, cowboy? No, I got off and came back on like an hour ago. Well, an hour and 20 minutes ago to be exact. Three accounts. Three accounts. Ooh, with another gap, huh? See it. I see it. Triple bottom. It might continue down, dude, to the next one. It might continue down to one. I don't know. In about 5 seconds, you're gonna see the next little boost. See where it goes. Whoa. Not the way I wanted. I'm gonna add one more. Two more, and that's it. Bro, why the fuck would I listen to you, cowboy? Don't be mean to me. You're like what's it called? You're bipolar towards me. You're so nice to me, and then the next second you're very mean to me. Be nice to me.
They say
I
money
mean,
can't buy
everything was
happiness. Look
heavy
at the
sell
fucking
side.
smile on my face.
Oh, thank you for the kitty cat. Oh. Good thing you ain't go big. Yeah, nah, I'm not these are just a gamble plays here. These are gamble plays here. A little higher. See? It ain't that big a deal. It ain't that big a deal, cowboy. Don't be mean to me. Damn it, came back down. Nah, this should come back up a little bit, like 800s. $860, $812. Come on! Playing games. Stop playing games with my heart. My heart. Bet short the whole time, we would have 199%. I don't know. I mean, my calls were good. Every long was good if I waited to my strategy. The only one I fucked up on was this one right here. I should have waited for the 1M to get it, and then look, it did get it, and then it rips up. So if I just had patience and wasn't an asshole, I would have been completely fine. Like most of the time, my strategy doesn't get me in. If it's you know, not gonna work. But when it does fail, which is rare, it you know, sometimes you could short the rest. Testing that imbalance now. Might short now. I kind of want a short one. Just for a scalp, guys, so don't think this is like an actual trade. I like how it went above and then couldn't hold. Feeling this music today. Oh, that's a good one. For you VIP members in my Discord, this new indicator is available to you guys. I'm telling you right now, learn it. It's fucking really good. I think out of the 8 times that I've seen it today, just live, there was only 1 or 2 wrong. And then, if you were wrong, sometimes if you can get better at it and it starts to go against the sweep candle and it crashes, most likely because it failed, it's going to go down a lot further, or, you know, vice versa. You know, they're basically like soul collectors, but and they're micro styles. So say like you don't want to trade small time frames. You can literally just pick the hourly candles if you want. Does anybody know what he's talking about? Me? What does that mean? Are you being mean again, cowboy? Because I'll fucking fly to the UK.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Thank you for the... Yeah! I'll go to the UK and steal all your women. All right? I'll use my horns, cowboy.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Imagine. Ooh, freestyle. Thank you for the nice gift, bro. Appreciate you, Jay. We got that clap on. Clap on, clap off. I'll go with him and take all the men. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, Powers. Looking in your big brown eyes. And then when we're done, Texas, we're gonna look at Cowboy and point like, ha 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 ha. That's for being mean to me. That's for being mean to me, Cowboy. That's for wearing your sister's dress. It's gonna go down or what? You still wearing your sister's dress, cowboy? There you go. There you go, daddy. Daddy's out on that one. Sold it on eBay used? Damn. Did you wash it or no? Did you buy a new one with the profits?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
A shard! A shard! Thank you, Jay. I appreciate you. Daddy's calling him out today. Probably a gap right there, too. Pretty sure that is. See this gap? This is going to be very important to play around. So, when it comes back up there, you're going to see how it reacts. Going to the beach? How far is the beach, though, Mrs. Texas? You know, it sucks. I have to go back to work tomorrow, man. I've been on vacation for like 20 days. Give me 5 evals, I'll give you my sister. Wow. I will be doing a giveaway tomorrow.
Post their second quarter results on August
Right? If you guys
4th.
do it tomorrow or Tuesday, sounds good, right? Or I'll let you guys know in Discord. 30 minutes? The 30-minute drive for you? Aren't you in like Dallas? I thought that's like 2 hours. About $200. There you go, girl. Houston, that's it. Houston, sorry. A lot of earnings this week, too. Is there? Let's see. Let's see, man. So this is going to sweep out the bottom. Now, if it wasn't after 4, we could actually probably go down. We could probably get a nice long. Earnings. AMC. Fuckers. That guy made me lose so much money, bro. I made strong. He made me lose so much money, that damn AMC. Dude, I was up $40,000 on AMC.
Fucking smile on my face.
Dan Jay, you showering me, bro. You're showering me. Hopefully I made you money. Your big man is this week. What is it? All right, there's your 1 minute sweep. You see any Texas rattlesnakes, Cowboy says? You gonna show her your rattlesnake? Is the 15-minute sweep mostly what you traded today? Yeah. So, but like, here's a good instance, right? Say, you know, it wasn't the end of the day, Shannon, right? Say, you see how this 1 hour, which represents the green? See this green? Now, it swiped both of them, right? So say price closes above this 1 minute sweep candle, right? And then we get in. Now, you can get out at the 50, but guess what? You also got the 5 minute in play too. Eventually, I'm sure it's probably, what is this, 4 o'clock? One of these candles is going to be the sweep for the 5. So this is the candle here. So the 5 minute time frame, you draw it out. So you can get in on the 1 minute, which just tremendously lowered your risk, right? So you get on that 5, and then you can start ripping it up. And then there's more tricks, right? There's more tricks that I can show you. So say the hourly starts closing, or the 15-minute closes in. 15-minute swept the prior candle. Now you got a manipulation candle. So in reality, you can take out 2 at the 50, and now you can start trailing those other 2 that are in, and they can go to the 15 minutes previous high. And guess what? If you're playing the hourly, which looks like it's probably going to work eventually, that would be a huge manipulation candle too. And guess what? It can easily go up to the 895s. There's lots of different ways to play this for a huge movement. So like the 1 minute is usually the beginning, right? After the 1 minute, guess what? You're in there with a really low risk. Like right now, we could probably get in. I really don't want to trade my other Lucid just in case. I don't want him like. Let me go to the other one. Because I 100% want to get in this. I had to trade it to my other one because I made way too much money on my other one. Do you enter sweep or close? Close. Now, you can enter on the sweep if you want to, but I like the close above the sweep candle. So it closed above. There's so many different ways. You can play it on the background. Let's see. This has potential to be huge, to go all the way up. Look how much room there fucking is to go up to the 50%. 823. It's like 80 points. So, sweep candle, right? Sweep candle, which also makes a break of structure. It's better if there's like some kind of wick with it. And you can see, bring it over, look. Look how it reacted to support over here and resistance. Now, if I'm wrong, good chance it's going to keep going down pretty bad. But we'll put a stop loss, and that's what it is. Like, we got to play it out. But look at the risk to reward on this already. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You know, it's a pretty big risk to reward. Low risk, high reward trade. I mean, you can do other factors too. Look, it's divergent. We got order blocks here. A lot of them. The only thing that's going against us is that it is 415, right? So remember that. Lower the volume, the less it's going to work. Hey, Mallory. What's up, girl? Did you trade today? Oh, see, like, I lost. That's a loser. Now, most likely, this is going to fall down more, and you can go down to, like, 718s. So, that was a loser. It happens. But, again, I would never really take this trade.
So
It's
following the close of the US
415.
cash equity markets, looking at the market wrap for today's session. So a renewed
It's 4:15 in the afternoon. So, like, 100%, like,
They
this
say money can't buy happiness. Look
has
at the
a
fucking
more of a
smile on
failure
my
rate
face.
after because the volume is so low. Even though it's still moving pretty decent, but So most likely this will continue down. You can wait for a pullback and then continue down, but once it breaks, it's usually no good. Versus 615. So look, it made another sweep candle. Made a new 15-minute low, and then it made another sweep. So, say this did come back up and close. The win rate on this, honestly, is like 70%. It's pretty high. So, if you wanted to, you could double. You can double it. I don't advise you to do that often, but once you get better at it, you can. But most likely, this is going to continue downtown. Actually failed. There it goes, downtown. But you know what? Like, that didn't hurt me at all. That was such a small loss. I really don't care. I mean, I do care, but like, I felt like the risk reward there was fantastic. But remember what I said, when it starts breaking, when it can't hold and it breaks, most likely it's not done and it's going to keep going. And next stop is 718s. I don't know if that's going to happen today, but I kind of don't want to trade and get stuck in it. But if you guys were to, I could see it definitely going down to 718s. You think 718 happens today? Yeah, it could happen right now, dude. It really could. But it's unpredictable at 8. But recently, guess what? What's been happening? Ice cream?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Ice cream. Yum, yum. Thank you so much for the gifts. I appreciate you. He's been showering me all day. He's been paying for my electric bill all day. So hungry. Kind of time to get off now.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Look at and cake.
On my face.
Yum. Yum. Guys, make sure you guys hit that follow button. Thank you for all the likes and the gifts for sure. Thank you so much. I think we did pretty excellent today. $3,800 almost. All funded. So, well, actually, I'm lying. 2 funded, 1 eval. Am I trading Asia? My Asia's usually hit or miss, dude. I have a lot to do with my family at nighttime. Like today, I gotta go to my son's sports event. But maybe after. But I'll let you guys usually know in Discord if I hop on. So I got a new prop firm, guys. It's called Trade Day.
Money can't buy happiness.
Pretty cool concept. Try the it's called Quick Trade. What you do is you got 5 days to pass. A little bit of bummed out on how long it is. But if you trade it slow and make less than $1,000 a day for 5 days, you only got to make 3,000. But I'm saying like you can't make over 1,000. Once you're funded, there's no consistency rule after you're funded, and you could take a payout anything over 250. There's only one gripe though. But nobody else is offering this. Nobody's offering this. You don't need to make a buffer. You can take out money. Say you made $600 for the day. You want to take out 600. You take out 600. Problem is, if it's below $4,000 that you're taking out, they take 50%. So you keep 300, they take 300. But no other prop firm is doing that. No other prop firm. They want you to get that buffer. So basically, they want you
smile
to.
on my face.
Because some guys aren't good traders. If you're a good trader, it's whatever. But if you're not, and it was hard for you to pass, the likelihood of you getting that buffer again is going to be difficult. This is trade day. Trade day. Use code BULLY for the latest and greatest discounts. Use code BULLY. I just started trying them, and I'm affiliated with them. The whole concept sounds really cool to me. $60. But, again, Lucid's still number one, though. Lucid's still number one. Use code BULLY. We'll be doing I think I'm going to do it tomorrow, the giveaway. A 50K Pro account. I'll let you guys know in Discord. Unless maybe we'll do it tonight. I don't know. I'm up in the air. Whatever it is, make sure you pay attention to my alerts. That's it. Snooze you lose, motherfuckers. I'm thinking maybe I don't know. Maybe tomorrow. But we already gave one out last Friday. Worth $110, so. Alright, guys. I'm going to call it a day. Very good trading today. Nice and easy. No stress. That's it. You, two prop firms, Lucid and Trade Day. Use code BULLY. All caps.
Daddy?
BULLY.
Is that you?
What's up,
Is that you?
Critical Disaster? Hit that follow button on YT. Utriad.
Utriad, welcome to the Soul Daddy. Critical Disaster, welcome to the Soul Daddy. Daddy, is that you? Is that you?
How we doing today? We made $3,740. Bro, if I share an entry pattern I've been backtesting and you consider it helpful for you, what? Club Trader, thanks for the follow. I have a free Discord. If you have any kind of questions like that, you can always drop in Discord and then I can help you out. It's in my bio. It's free. You done trading today? Yeah, markets are closing. I'm done. Plus, I'm starving. Alright? Alright, guys. See you tomorrow morning. Adios, amigos.
Holy Bears is out, Dolphus. Later, Mallory.
Everybody else? Later. VQ on Kick. I sometimes do night trading, but it's sporadic. I usually let you guys know in my Discord. It's just sporadic. I can't always guarantee it. Morning times it's easier for me. I usually have my schedule up on Discord. VQ, did you try pasting it into Google? Just copy and paste it. I'm gonna put Linktree in Kick too, so you can go there instead in the future. But you just copy and paste it. If not, then join like my YouTube, and then it's definitely in there. Everything's in there, so should work.